All right, welcome back. All you plumeria lovers, I thought this might be another plant you'd be interested in. This is the desert rose. If you're not familiar with it, I'll give you some tidbits about it. So, look, when you first look, it looks very similar to a plumeria. Um, However, unlike the tropical counterpart, this is a succulent. So even though this is a succulent, a lot of the traits are the same as far as well draining soil, doesn't like winter, don't overwater it. So kind of the main goal when it comes to growing a plumeria. What I really like about these is they have a beautiful flower just like the plumerias do. Um, and also you can make cuttings off of them just like a plumeria. So that's why I brought these up. Also just to show that plumerias aren't the only thing we grow. Um, but yeah, that's one of the reasons we like this, because again, a lot of the similar traits, even though it is a succulent, you still have those, they still follow the same guidelines as far as, don't overwater, well draining soil, a lot of sun. Even though we're shaded right now, it's just morning, kind of glad because it's so hot already. But yeah, that's why I just wanted to do a brief little show of the desert rose. I wish it was blooming right now. It's not blooming because I repotted it into a bigger pot. Generally you want, you don't need a real deep pot for these. More of a flat, wide pot is good. I would suggest you look them up just to see there are different colors. This one is a dark burgundy flower. When it does bloom, I'll make another video just to show. But again, we just enjoy growing it because it just follows a lot of the same guidelines as the plumeria, so it makes it easy for us. With that being said, again, those aren't the only things we grow. But I just want to make a quick video about, again, desert rose. Look them up. You see how this is a small one. They can get real big. Also, you can kind of cut them to train them how you want them to grow. Some will get tall and leggy. I like them to be a little more thick and bushy. Okay, they almost remind me of like when you can make them grow a certain way. They almost look like a little bonsai of a plumeria. So that's pretty much it. I just want to make a quick video on another type of plant that if you enjoy plumerias, this might be another plant you might enjoy growing. Once again, desert rose. Um, I thanks for checking in. If you enjoy the content, please give a like, thumbs up, subscribe, and send me questions. If you have questions about your plumerias or whatnot, as far as garden goes, let me know. I enjoy making these videos and I enjoy helping people if they have questions. So if I don't get right to your question, I apologize. I do try and get to them. So again, hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, have a great day. I thought before I'd end the video, I would do just a quick little tour, just to give people an idea of, again, we're outside of Houston, Texas. Um, this is actually August 31st. So just give people an idea of how our plumerias are doing right now. And just even in all this heat, and we have been hot, you see some of the leaves get a little yellow. So just thought I'd give a quick short tour of some of what we got going on in here in some of our plumerias. And there it is for now. One part of the yard. I hope you enjoy. Have a great day.